What's up? I'm back with a new video. My name is Tima and today I'm going to be doing my beauty routine for quarantine. I don't know why I haven't done this yet. I've been doing my skincare routine, but I haven't really been doing a beauty routine in a minute because I just haven't really been wearing makeup that much, nor have I been wearing wigs or whatnot. So I'm just trying to look decent today, you know, look like I'm putting myself together because I've been going through it. Maybe y'all can do your beauty routine with me and we can follow along and just have fun. So that's what I'm doing today. I'm gonna be talking about a brand that sent me a few products which I'm really excited about, and they are called Truly Beauty. This is a cute little box that I got from them. Yeah, I've just been trying to have a regimen just to keep my skin looking nice. Even though you're staying indoors and you're not really seeing anyone, does not mean that you shouldn't be taking care of yourself. This morning I did a workout. I'm currently doing the Chloe Ting Summer Shred Challenge for like 35 days or so. So I'm just trying to keep up and keep in shape while also keeping up with my skincare, which has been really good. So they sent me this whole line. Everything in this line has CBD in it, which is really cool. You guys saw my last video where I was talking about CBD oil and stuff and how I was just getting into it. I absolutely love it, and I feel like this really does relax your skin and it moisturizes everything. So let's just talk about the CBD Jelly Cleanser for anti-acne. This has 200 milligrams of CBD, salicylic acid, watermelon, agave nectar, and a vitamin A boost. So I use this first every morning, or at least after I end up doing my workout. I go ahead and take a shower, and I just use this in the shower. I don't want to use too much of it because I'm just trying to savor all of the goodness. I also just uploaded the video where I did like my makeup in my Rococo inspired apartment, and my skin was doing so terrible in that video. It was doing so bad because obviously I'm on my period, or I was on my period, and my skin was just doing terrible. My acne has since been diminishing. I have this small one here, but it's probably going to be gone by tomorrow. But this was huge. These were huge here, and they've just gotten so much smaller. So today after this, I'm going to do just like a small or like a really easy makeup look. I'm not gonna really show y'all on camera how it looks. I'm just gonna do it real quick. But I've been using this and this has been really, really good. I also like the color. I like green. So after using the cleanser, I went in with the Truly Golden Leaf for Surface and Brighten CBD Face Mask. Now, when you first initially put this on your skin, it tingles, which it feels really good for me, especially for my acne. I want to feel like something is working, and it also has 300 milligrams of CBD, 24K gold, which I noticed I had specks of gold on my skin after putting it on, and I was like, what is that? Why do I have sparkles all over my face? But it's like, it's not sparkles, but it's like specks of gold like on your skin. It's got glycolic acid plus AHA/BHA boost. And my skin, I need help with texture. So this is actually perfect for me. Also, the packaging of the products is absolutely wild to me. This cap here is so heavy. I love it. It feels like it's of quality. I don't know. It really does feel like it's working on your skin, and it does moisturize. Now, when you're putting it on, it's not super thick or anything. It's more of like a watery texture. And when it dries on, it just kind of dries on like there's this film of hydration left on your skin. And right now my skin is glowing. I have not put on my moisturizer yet. My skin already has a nice little soft glow to it. I'm gonna put all the links to the products down below in the description box, as well as pricing and all that good stuff down below, so be sure to go ahead and check that out. So the next product that I want to show you guys, which I'm going to actually apply to my face right now, is the Mary Jane CBD Glow Serum. It's got 100 milligrams of CBD, vitamin A, cannabis sativa, caffeine, and glycolic acid boost. And I'm going to go ahead and put this on my skin right now. All the products are also vegan, clean, high-performing, animal cruelty-free, fresh, made in the USA, and also has global ingredients. So this is the product that I have right here with me. It's got like a nice little pink color. So I'm gonna take this and put some on to my hand. This feels amazing. This is my skin after. It has a nice little glow to it, feels very nice and hydrated. The next couple of products that I want to talk to you guys about are the Truly Treats Breakouts. It has 36 CBD acne patches. It's in the shape of a plant, which is cool. I'm not going to say the actual thing it's the shape of, but anyways. It's plant shaped, which is really, really adorable. All right, I've already used one of these already. Or actually I've used a couple. Y'all can see the two are missing from here. Now I'm going to go ahead and place one on my cheek here. I'm not going to leave it on for too long. I'm probably going to leave it on for like maybe 10 minutes or so on this new one that's right on my face. This one's going away, so it doesn't really need anything. And then this side of my face is completely clear right now. So we're gonna put it on one and I'll show you how it looks. Now, each of these patches have 5 milligrams of CBD. They are drug-free, non-drying, and it protects the skin for faster healing. Gonna be honest, it looks kind of funny, but honestly, I don't mind wearing this. I'm just gonna be wearing it to bed, if anything anyway, so. Okay, so I'm reading what's inside of this, and it says that it contains hydrocolloid acne stickers, and it says that it protects blemishes for faster healing overnight. Each pimple patch acts as a protective cover by absorbing pus and fluids, which sounds disgusting, but I mean, that's what's inside of pimples, so. So the last thing that they sent me is their unicorn CBD body butter. It also soothes and glows on the skin, and it has 300 milligrams of CBD, matcha, cannabis sativa, acai, and collagen boost. I opened this and I haven't used this yet. I'm going to use it in this video, of course, but I was trying to save it for the video because look at how this is whipped. Yeah, so this looks like it's whipped super nicely. I'm going to put some on the front part of my hand. Feels very nice. It smells like cake, like birthday cake. Legit. It smells like birthday cake and it feels relaxing on my hand. I wonder if I could honestly put this on my joints to see if it relaxes my muscles a bit. This is obviously the hand that I put it on, and this one doesn't have anything on it. So it has a nice little glow to it, and this one has no glow at all. Love these products. I'm gonna put everything down below for you guys because they are amazing. I already have been using all of these products in my regimen as of lately, and they've been really good. Okay, so I'm not going to spend too much time on my makeup or anything. I'm literally going to spend I'm going to do the bare minimum today because I don't want to do too much. Okay, so I just finished freshening up, doing my makeup and stuff, just doing a little bit. I barely put on any foundation or anything, but I wanted to just show you guys what my beauty routine looks like, and that's what it looks like during quarantine. Like, I don't usually do a full face or anything, and I honestly pay way more attention to my skincare during this time because that's what's most important, and I'm not really going anywhere. I'm literally just taking photos for the most part for Instagram, so that's it. Also, Truly Beauty sent me a code for y'all to go ahead and check out for the website. It is Truly TL4, and you get 10% off your entire order if you choose to use that, so be sure to go ahead and check that out as well. Yeah, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye guys.